Hello beautiful peoples, welcome to Mobile with Info YouTube channel. Today I will talk about Infinix Hot 12i. Before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's start this video guys. Infinix is introducing its new Hot 12i to Infinix Hot 12i, and their budget smartphone. Infinix is introducing its new Hot 12i to the market soon. The company is working on a new smartphone of its Note series. The coming smartphone will be a budget phone, and it will be launched in this year 2022. The newcomer will be called Infinix Hot 12i. The smartphone got a chipset of MediaTek Helio A22, which is the most powerful chipset, and to give more power to this handset there is a 2.0 GHz octa-core processor inside Infinix's Hot 12i to make the device ultra-fast. The display screen size of the smartphone is 6.6 inches, and it will provide the user with Full HD plus the resolution of 720x1612 pixels. The new Infinix Hot 12i is having an IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen display that is the latest one and well known for its outstanding results. The chipset and the RAM capacity of the device show that it will enable the user to execute things with this Hot 12i by Infinix within seconds. The internal storage capacity of the smartphone is 64 GB, that is enough to store a huge amount of data for future use, and the device got a microSD dedicated slot. On the rear of the Infinix 12i, there is a dual camera setup. The main sensor of the handset will be 13 megapixels and pair of 2 megapixels lenses. The selfie shooter of the phone is 5 megapixels to make taking selfies more easy and attractive. The Infinix Hot 12i is having the latest operating system called Android 11 Go Edition. Also, there is a powerful 3.5mm audio jack in this newcomer. The device Infinix Hot 12i will be fueled with a non-removable LiPo 5000 mAh battery. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video.